Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be conquering cooking and cleaning. This video started really early in the morning. I had just returned from the grocery store. What I'm doing right now is unloading all the groceries, putting them where they belong, getting things prepared because I was going to cook a nice Sunday meal. I decided to make spaghetti and meatballs on this day. If it looks like I rolled out of bed, it's because I literally just rolled out of bed. Like I was starving. I needed to go to the store, wash my face, brush my teeth, got to the store. So we're going to be doing, like I said, unloading the groceries in this video. Also, I cooked the spaghetti and meatballs in this video. And we're also going to do the daily chores, all the things, laundry, and, putting fresh sheets on the bed for the week. I really like to do that. I hope y'all enjoy the video, and let's keep going. We're going to be doing some spaghetti. So right here, I had cut up some onion previously, and I added that to my green beans, also with spices. And what I'm doing right now, I don't like getting that meat underneath my fingernails and stuff. It's gross, so I put some gloves on. I added some Lipton onion soup mix to my meatballs, also some Tony Chachere's, and I am just beginning to make those meatballs. Look at that. And my pasta is almost finished, so we're going to be removing the pasta from the stove and getting those meatballs in the pan, which you will see very shortly. There they are. We got them cooking up. Good stuff. everything. Every little thing I did today, this would probably have been like a 30-minute video. I've also been working on a video of my living room Halloween decor. Um, I did a video last night of Halloween decorating. If y'all haven't watched that, you can go back and watch that. It turned out really cute, and the living room is turning out like better than I could have ever imagined. I think this year I really outdid myself, and it was really festive and fun, and I'm just really pleased with it. So right here I'm just doing that one load of laundry that you see. This is the only one that I actually filmed me doing, but I was actually doing laundry all day long, and cooking and cleaning and all the things. Just all the things that a woman does. I hope these videos give women inspiration. Like, trust me, you can tell by the look on my face sometimes when I make my videos that I am unmotivated to do all of these things. I don't want to do them, but you know, like I said before in a prior video, if I'm filming myself, I get more motivated to do it and just get it done and knock it out. So this is how the meatballs are coming along. I'm still cooking them. I'm going to make a salad to go with this, and also some garlic bread too. So we're going to have spaghetti meatballs, green beans, salad, and garlic bread for dinner. So that's what's for dinner this Sunday evening. So I just wanted to put this little clip on here. I was going to get up and film some more things, but I can't because somebody is sitting right on top of me and I can't get up. Usually she has a fascination with my phone. Her ears are back. Open her eyes. But yeah, she's sitting right on top of me, so I won't be able to film anything else for today. But I hope you like the video. If you do, give it a big thumbs up. I'm exhausted, and I'm still not done yet. Like I said, I wanted to film a couple more things, but somebody had relaxing in mind, and maybe that's her way of telling me, slow down, woman. Just sit down and chill. So that's what we're doing. We are chilling. Thank you for watching the video, and have a great day.